This keyboard is also another contender for Best Budget Mechanical Keyboard of 2023. This is the Monka 3087 Pro. This is a TKL that is gasket mounted, comes with 5-pin hot swap PCB, north-facing RGB LED, double-shot PBT keycaps, a combination of polycarbonate plate, tuned stabilizers and dampening for a good and deeper sound, various switch options from Monka and KTT that are really good, and tri-mode connection. It also has a nice RGB side glow and a front badge. All of these for BDT 5000 or less than $50 US. That's an absolute steal. And it sounds pretty great as well. Let's hear the sound test. Stay tuned to my channel for detailed coverage and comparison versus the other boards in this price range. So don't miss it out.